be more than you be. Let me explain, cause I do. And who can't hold back the feeling? I might get mad on the daily. You boo, complicated, underrated, estimated. Some say too much groundwork. Cause I'm here to build foundation. Lay down bare cement while you lay dirt. Say nada. I go on big and badger, go on badder. Okay, ups, downs, name the game. No need to explain. We be working on a time frame. Yep, but time flies. I see sun and blue skies, we both see clouds. It's a case of weather. Go on, we Bob Street together till it right now. Proud.
Lay it on me. Lay it on me. Just don't excite me. Dedication. Be my foundation. I've got a future with or without you near. I'll never accuse you, 'cause I'd rather have you here. Don't need no rocks and gold. Baby, my future can't be sold. If you can show me and me alone, I'll make your house a home. Lay it on me. Lay it on me. Just don't excite me. Dedication. Be my foundation.
Oh yeah. So let bygones be bygones. Go and buy and we ride on. Street talk cause you're my don. Type of thing that we could just vibe on. Cause this thing's hurting me, Steph London. Might not have your bacon, got a meal deal though you can depend on, trust me. Yeah, capability to be, minus the practicality, we eat out. Why? Or just eat. I know you love the West Indian heat plus planting. Now give me a plantain cause we don't walk up mountain to try reach peak. Anyhow do I say I love you or just try to show you can actions speak. Cause I'm known to be prone to be, yes so you roll with me. So I love you big.
Lay it on